Hi everyone, today I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite childhood Barbie outfits. I'm really excited about this. It's going to be really cool to see this come to life, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So let's get started. And this is the fast version where I do both the nails and the shirt in less than 10 minutes. If you want to see the more detailed version, you go watch my other videos. So I found a matching jacket. For the pants, I found these, and I'm going to sew up the split here when I'm done with the shirt. For the boots, I found these shiny black boots that match perfectly. And for the shirt I'm going to be making, I found the perfect fabric. Now let's get started on the nail tutorial. Here are the polishes used. And now that the nails are done, I'm ready to start the shirt. These are the pieces needed to cut out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 11. ready to go. And there you have it. Subscribe for more fashion videos.